Adult Solutions. Add-on Desires.
Hello my dear lovely students, welcome to Adult Solutions. Yes, you are with your Cbse and we are studying here. Yes, raindrops, tip, tip, tip. Yes, tip, 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 raindrop. What do we understand with that raindrops? Do you know? Yes, raindrops is very useful for us. Sometimes we enjoy, we dance and all. You can see that children are dancing, many children are holding umbrella in order to hide them, and many teacher and the other members are just sitting or standing around the sun or that tree. Okay, this is what the actual image of rain and rainy season. That's what we understand. But do you know that this rain is very important for our life? Yes, because of this rain we get, yes, we get the agriculture or farming. Because of these raindrops, we eat food. Yes, the vegetable, the fruits, the food, whatever you are eating because of this. So it is very important. So the textbook is also very important to understand and to make us something important. Yes, so here we have chapter number 1. What is that? Clap, clap, clap. Before we start this beautiful poem with your Cbse, I'm asking you one question. Are you ready? Yes. The question is, when do you actually clap? When somebody cries, do you clap? Hey, 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 you clap. No. If you are clapping at that time, it means it is wrong. We should not do that. If somebody had got injuries or bleeding or anything or any type of wound, at that time if we are laughing, it is not good. At that time if we are clapping, it is not good at all. For example, if somebody had got failed in exam or in class test or anything like that, we should never laugh on them, we should never clap. Hey, you know, even if they make the same thing, you should make yourself different from them. Those people who laugh on others' grief, those students who laugh on others' sadness, those who laugh on other lose, they are not good human beings. Okay, so which one you want to be, the good one or the bad one? Of course the good one. So just forget about these bad ones. Yes, yes, yes. Don't clap on someone's sad, don't clap on someone's grief, don't clap on someone's cry, don't clap on someone's tears, don't clap on someone's lose. No, 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 we should not do that. Are you ready with that? From now onwards, you will not clap on someone's grief, on someone's sadness. Yes, but we should clap on something good. For example, yay, happy birthday, when it is cake cutting, and that we are ready to get the excitement. Yeah, we are ready to get that piece of cake. Yes, that time, happy birthday to you. And when somebody dances very well, yay. When somebody sings very well, after that, yay, means we have clap, clap, clap. Only we should do that time when something is good. Are you listening? Yes, when something is good, we should clap, clap, clap. When something is bad, we should not clap, clap, clap. But we should feel something that yes, we are not happy. Yes, this is the good one and good characteristics of the cute human beings. So are you good? If you are good, just take your textbook. Do you have your textbook in your hand? Because if we will start from chapter number 1 to last of these raindrops, you should have your textbook so you can connect. Now let's start. Here, the clap, clap, clap. The clap, clap, clap. The clap, clap, clap. The chapter. You see this. The beautiful girl is clap and tap, clap and tap. So this is the sound when we mix with our hand. It is clap. When we mix with our foot, tap, 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 tap. Yes. So this is, now let's start and you have to sing after me. Yes. Clap, 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 tap, 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 tap. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Now your turn. Yes, clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Tap, tap, tap. Do you know the tap? Yes, with the feet. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Now hop, hop, hop. Hop like a kangaroo. Hop like a rabbit. hop like a frog. Yes. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Now stop, stop, stop. Yes. Now jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Now stop, stop, stop. Okay? Now you try yourself. I am here to listening you. Yes, clap. Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. Stop, stop, stop. Now jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Clap, clap, clap. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, you see that the girl is running, run, run, run. Jump, 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 hooray, jump, jump, jump. Now, here hop, 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 like a frog, hop, 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 like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. For example, hop, 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 like that. Okay, so this was the beautiful poem and the chapter number 1 that we start clap, clap, clap for this beautiful chapter. And like this, studying, stay connected with your adult solution, stay connected with your Cbse. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next video. Till that time, tata, bye bye. And yes, start keeping clap, clap, clap.
Adult solutions. Add-on desired.